Microsoft earlier this week released some research about using ChatGPT to control robotics. On the page here, you can see the entire write-up that they wrote for the research that they've done, and then you can also go to their YouTube page where you can see the videos of their results and even read their research or how they specifically did it. What Microsoft wants to do here is allow for potentially even non-technical users to sit in on a control loop to be able to control the robot's performance. And this is pretty crazy because now we don't have to have a specialized engineer in the chair all of the time. They simply just need to be able to speak to the robot in just natural language. Basically, the robot will come up with the functions needed to control said object. And they even allow you yourself to be able to control a simulated drone through ChatGPT. I'm going to show you the example real quick. All right, and so we asked if it could make the robot hover 5 feet in the air, and here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and change the angle here, and there we go. I have no clue why it's going down though. Oh, because it says land drone. So hover and then land the drone. Okay. It can misinterpret things and it's definitely not perfect. So you totally don't want to do this in the real world, but simulators are just great. And now it's heading over to the car with just that command. And we're going to see if it hovers and stays in place above the car or if it's just going to land on the car. Okay, cool. So this is the end position. Here's what it says that it did. This is going to be the explanation here. The drone flies to the position of the car, but with a Z coordinate of 5 feet above the car's position. And then the next thing I want to ask is, can you fly over to the windmills? And now it's going to ask me a clarifying question because I was unspecific. So what windmills are there? So they're actually turbines, so there are 2 of them. Okay, so I had an issue with one of my previous commands, so now I'm just stuck above the car, and it's trying to implement the next. So as you can see, the software is still a little bit buggy with the interaction between ChatGPT and this simulator, but I can only see it getting better in the future. And I will definitely be doing a little bit more AI stuff with robotics, so I want to see where that goes.